Good morning, Roadrunners. Thank you for tuning in to WRRD News. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Now, please pause for a minute of silence. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance by placing your right hand over your chest.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
In Rolling Ridge news, meals can be picked up every day from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Every day from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., you can go to school and pick up breakfast and lunch. Also, check out books from the library using the library Schoology page. You can check out books right there on your Schoology page, library Schoology page. Also, girls in grades 3 through 5 can sign up for Girls on the Run. Now, let's turn it over to Old Man Winters for the weather.
Well, howdy there, Roadrunners. Thank you for joining me. Let's take a look at today's weather. Today's weather is going to be 81 degrees and sunny with a 0% chance of rain. A great day for a stroll. Have a good day, Roadrunners.
I had no idea that that's how they predicted the weather. Okay, now it is time for your Wednesday workout tip. A good workout that I like to do at home is called plank marches. All right, let me show you how it's done. It's a great workout. All you do is you start on your elbows like this, and then you move into a push-up position. Down and up. Down and up. It's a lot harder than it looks. How many can you do? All right, now let's turn it over to Captain Skullbuckle for an interesting fact.
Hey, mateys! Do you be knowing how big a blue whale's heart be? The size of a car! Arr!
Arr! I didn't know pirates were so crabby. Anyways, moving on. Today's question comes from Jose in Miss Gully's class. Jose asks, do you have a pet? Well, unfortunately, Jose, I don't have a pet anymore. But when I was a kid, I had 2 ferrets. They looked like this. Thank you for that great question, Jose. Okay, let's close today's program with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, bully free starts with me. We are champs. We are family. We choose to spread positivity. Bye, guys. Have a great Wednesday.